Good morning. I'm glad you're here. Happy Tuesday. Those of you who know me know Tuesday is my least favorite day of the week, but we can push through it because every day is basically the same day. At this point, everything's fine and we're all fine. It's actually okay. It's not a big deal. Okay, so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and push through this, all right? All right, I have a quick mini lesson before we get started. So, we sing dotted rhythms all the time in choir music. However, we don't sight read them very often. Several of you have probably heard this little spiel before. If you haven't, here you go. So take a look at these notes that I have down at the bottom. So do you see I have a quarter note and 2/8 notes here? So it goes 1, 2, te, just like that. 1, 2, te. If you add a dot to a note, it makes that note a little bit longer. If you want the actual explanation, it makes the note equal to its original plus half of its original value. So like imagine if you had a half note dotted. I think we talked about this in another lesson. Half note dotted, it's worth 2. Half of 2 is 1. So if you have a dotted half note, it becomes worth 3. Same thing with a quarter note. So if you imagine of a quarter note as like 2 halves making 1, like half plus half equals 1, right? And you add a dot to it, it makes it worth 1.5. So down here, if you see this where it says 1, 2, te, what it's going to do when we add the dot is it just gets rid of this. So now we'll go 1, te. Do you feel the little pulses? 1, te. So if you look up here in measure 2, the way we would do this measure is we would go 1, 3, te. 1, 3, te. And that's how we're going to count that rhythm when we get to it in measure 2. Okay? Nothing too crazy. I just kind of wanted to give you a refresher on that. All right, here we go. Let's count the rhythm on this one. Starting in measure 1. Here we go. 1, 2, te, 3. Here it is. 1, 3, te. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3. Next line. 1, 2, te, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1. Same thing again. Ready and go. 1, 2, te, 3. 1, 3, te. 1, 2, 4. 1, 3. 1, 2, te, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1. Sweet. Thanks for trying that with me. Hopefully you got that dotted rhythm in there. If you didn't, it's really not a big deal. Like we are going to do more dotted rhythms in the days to come because I think since this is the advanced sight reading level, I think we can handle some dotted rhythms. Not a big deal. Okay, starts on a do. Let's talk the solfege. You know what? At this point, since do has been the same for the past like 5 or 6 videos, I'm just going to give you a shot to just go for it. So it's going to start on a do. I'll go a little bit slower so you can process the notes. Remember, be looking one note ahead. Starts in a do. Good luck. Here we go. Do, do, ti, do. Up 1. Re, do, mi, so. Down 1. Fa, mi. Skip down. Do, look ahead, it's ti. Ti, do, do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, do. Cool. Let's speak the solfege again. Ready, on, do. Do, do, ti, do, re. Here it is. Do, mi, so. Step down 2. Fa, mi, do. Look ahead. Ti, do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, do. Sweet. Thanks for that. So hopefully you did okay on that. If not, just rewind the video, try it again. Like it's something that you can practice. The luxury of having this on a video-based lesson is that you can practice these things as many times as you want until you feel like you've got it fairly confidently. All right? Okay, let me get our do. Okay, so just echo back some patterns for me. Do, mi, do. Do, ti, do. Do, mi, so. So, la, so. So, fa, mi. Mi, do, ti. Do, re, mi. Mi, so, mi. So, fa, mi. So, mi, do. Okay, I think you got it. 1 second. That was exciting. Sorry, I'm drinking a new energy drink and it's carbonated, and I don't normally do a carbonated drink in the mornings, so I'm a little belchy, but hey, deal with it. So actually, that's the question of the day. Question of the day is, what's your favorite energy drink flavor? I'm trying this new one. It's Rockstar Juiced. It's pretty tasty. It's mango. I don't hate it. Okay. My favorite one, though, is the lemonade one. Anyway, okay, sorry. Okay, so starts in a do. Let's give it a shot. Do your hand signs if you can. Remember, this is the advanced video, and the more you practice the hand signs, the better you're going to get at them. So you might as well just be trying it. Like, let's go. Let's go. Okay, starts on a do. We'll do this one a couple times. Watch out for measure 2. Here we go. Do, do, ti, do, re, do, mi, so, fa, mi, do, ti, do, mi, do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, do. This one's kind of tricky today. Let's do the same thing again. Same thing again. I sight read these along with you. I try not to look at it too much before we start singing it, because if I make a mistake, I want to own it. I want to keep going with it. I want to be able to explain to you like what I messed up, what my thought process was. And that way you can start to learn how to assess your mistakes too. If you mess up, it's okay. Like, the best thing about this is that like no one's listening. Like, mess up as much as you want. Like, it's, well, maybe not that much, but like the more you practice, the better you're going to get every single day, right? That's why you're here. Okay, starts on a do. Ready and go. Do, do, ti, do, re, do, mi, so, fa, mi, do, ti, do, mi, do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, do. Caught myself with a burp in there. Okay, for challenge mode, how about this? I'm only going to sing the do's, the me's, and the la's. The rest of it, I want you to handle on your own. So I will sing the do's, the me's, and the la's. Okay, good luck. Break a leg. Here we go. Do, do, do. Do, mi, mi, do, do, mi, do, mi, la, mi, do. Kill it. Love Love that. Okay, so down in the comments, write down what is your favorite flavor of energy drink. If you're not an energy drink flavor or a person, you can write down, like, I don't know, some of you drink coffee. Like Daxton, my fiance, he drinks coffee black. He goes through an entire like pot of it every day, which I have such respect for because I think coffee on its own is vile and bitter. So anyway, okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, make good choices. Bye.